Have you had your flu shot yet? We're at the beginning of the flu season, but according to health officials, a lot of people just really aren't taking it too seriously. As News 13's Courtney Fegley tells us, the flu is not the only concern this winter.
December 4th through the 8th is National Influenza Vaccination Week. Medical professionals are encouraging everyone to get their flu vaccination.
The flu vaccine protects you against 4 distinct strains, and it protects this year it's against 2 types of influenza A, 2 types of influenza B.
But something has happened in America since the COVID-19 pandemic. Centers for Disease Control officials say the number of flu vaccinations has been declining. People seem more concerned about catching COVID and forget about the flu.
I'm probably seeing flu positive cases 1 out of every 8 patients, so that's a big percentage, you know. And if you take into account that 95% of the people I see with the flu have not been vaccinated, I mean, it's a completely preventable, miserable time of your life.
But it can be just as harmful.
The influenza virus can be just as bad and deadly as everything else. If we block the transmission by everybody getting immunized, we'll do better.
Some people are more at risk of catching the flu than others.
If you're around kids, if you're around sick patients, if you're around just in enclosed environments, you're more prone to get the flu, so I would recommend you getting it. The more people you interact with, the better to get it, just to protect yourself and others.
There are other precautions besides vaccinations that can help prevent transmitting the flu.
Always wash your hands. Try to avoid areas where a lot of crowds. If you know someone is sick, if you have to interact with them, maybe wear a mask. If you're working around children, I would recommend getting the vaccine early.
Besides the flu and COVID, experts are also worried about respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV. They recommend getting vaccinations for all 3. In Panama City, Courtney Fegley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
RX Express is giving flu vaccines to patients 12 years and up. Doctors recommend talking to your primary care physician before getting any sort of vaccination.